welcome back to Blythe Natural Living. I'm your host, Blythe-Mändmets. This is the show where we teach you quick and easy, breezy, healthy recipes to help you feel great and live better. All right, today we are making watermelon sorbet. It could not be easier. Literally, took the watermelon, cut it in half, scooped out the watermelon, froze it in individual, like not touching each other, so it's not as challenging to get out of your frozen containers. And then go ahead and freeze your rind, because once we put this sorbet together, we're gonna put it back in the rind, and you can eat it out of the rind or serve it in the rind. You can also put it back in the freezer and freeze it, and then it's really great for guests or for parties. I've served this several times this summer, and everybody loves it. Okay, so literally all that's in this recipe: frozen watermelon and our freshly made hemp milk. Now, to make freshly made hemp milk, we just do about 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds with about 1.5 cups of water. Blend it on together. This I happen to make in the NutriBullet, and it has these cute little cups for storage. So that's all it takes to make hemp milk, and that's what we're gonna use. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Putting our frozen watermelon into the blender. Color is beautiful. Remember, you guys, color is something. It's not nothing. That color in there is the resveratrol. The dark red is a deep, powerful antioxidant. So that's exciting. Watermelon in general is very cooling for the body. So if you tend to run a little hot, it's great to enjoy watermelon, and cucumber is good for that as well. So this is the contents of this full small watermelon, and I put about 1/2 cup of our freshly made hemp milk in there, and then we're just gonna blend it up, and it's delicious. Here we go. So pretty. So pretty. That's it. I love making food in real time for you, because you see like how quick that is. I mean, it took a moment to slice open the watermelon and freeze it, but like I did that last night, right? And then here I have this beautiful meal this beautiful dessert for my family, for friends. Super healthy, super easy, super inexpensive. How great can you get, right? So we just take that. We're just now gonna spoon this back in here. Look how beautiful that is. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love the color. Color is power. Real color in nature is power. So is flavor, by the way. Do you ever wonder about the chemistry of flavor? Flavor is the alchemy. It's the magic. So enjoy this amazing flavor. So what I do is when I put it into the frozen watermelon rind, this rind has been frozen, I just, I make it look pretty. Just kind of blah, 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 make it look pretty. And then I would either serve it right now to my family and or friends, or I would put it back in the freezer and let it freeze more. I mean, it's already frozen. It's a perfect sorbet as is. But if you can't make it right before your guests come and you need to stick it in the freezer and serve it later, then that's great too. Then do that. But I'm telling you guys, this is delicious. How good is watermelon? I mean, it's just watermelon and freshly made hemp milk, but it's just absolutely delicious. So enjoy this, and until we meet again, feel good. And good food helps. Cheers, love you.